हेलो एवरीवन। क्या आप भी अपने स्टडी अब्रॉड एडमिशन प्रोसेस के फाइनल स्टेजेस पर पहुंच गए हो, वेयर यू आर सपोज्ड टू सिट फॉर इंटरव्यूज फॉर योर सिलेक्शन? इफ यस, then this video is just for you. We get it. It's okay to be nervous. But एक fact बताऊं? Just to calm you down and recharge you with confidence. अगर आप इंटरव्यू राउंड्स तक पहुंच गए हो, that means the university selection committee is already impressed with you. आपके academic performance, merit and individual profile से भी. And they certainly think you are worthy enough for the institution. Interviews are all about wholesome face-to-face interactions ताकि सिलेक्शन बॉडी आपके एकेडमिक प्रोफाइल, करियर एंड दूसरे रेलेवेंट एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में और अच्छे से समझ पाए बिफोर टेकिंग द फाइनल कॉल. इसलिए नो नीड टू गेट सो वरीड. यहाँ पर आपके लिए एक इम्पोर्टेंट टिप है. कॉन्फिडेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट बट प्रिपरेशन इज इवन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. आप तभी कॉन्फिडेंट साउंड करोगे व्हेन यू विल प्रिपेयर वेल. ऐसे इंटरव्यूज में इंटरव्यूअर्स आपके एकेडमिक एक्सीलेंस के अलावा आपके पर्सनल इंटरेस्ट, गोल्स, करियर एम्बिशंस, स्किल सेट्स एंड क्वालिटीज के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस कि एडमिशन सिलेक्शन बोर्ड आपके किन पॉइंटर्स पर सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. फर्स्ट, they can ask you why do you desire to study this particular course. Second, other than academic pursuits, आपने और क्या-क्या स्किल सेट्स एंड एरियाज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एक्वायर किए हैं. थर्ड, आपने इस पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी को क्यों चूज किया है फॉर योर हायर एजुकेशन. फोर्थ, what are your future plans after completing this course? ये सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछने के कुछ रीजंस होते हैं. सबसे पहले, to check candidates clarity of thought कि इसको सच में इस कोर्स के यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ने में इंटरेस्ट है या नहीं. दूसरा, विजन, मतलब what does the candidate plan ahead? क्या वो ambitious है या नहीं? Will he be a good addition to this university or not? And of course, he is academically brilliant, but is he a well-rounded personality? Academics के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ मैटर करता है. For example, your participation and achievement in sports, drama, debates, clubs, societies, research papers, event और summit management. But इस सब से भी पहले आता है an impactful introduction. So, how shall we introduce us in the interview rounds of foreign universities? First is to keep a calm and composed body language. It's a very popular saying, your body language conveys a lot before you even utter a word. इसलिए अपने nervous energies को bye bye बोलो and body language को calm and composed बनाओ. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा bubbly and talkative नहीं दिखना है, but then again you can't even be dull and boring either. इसलिए just try to keep a calm demeanor. Sweaty foreheads, fidgety hands and no eye contact is a big no-no. ये ऐसा vibe देगा जैसे आप बहुत ही nervous or ill-prepared, which is not at all good for your study abroad dreams. The second way is to give a friendly and smiling greeting. जब भी आपको अपने आप को introduce करने की opportunity मिले, it should start with a simple and amicable greeting, like, "Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself." Another good formal introduction can be, "Good morning, respected members of the selection committee. I'm grateful to be found worthy of being selected for the interview round." You can also start like this. "Good morning, my name is this and I would like to thank everyone for bestowing me with a chance to speak about myself in front of so many cherishing individuals." Or it can be as simple as this. "Good morning everyone. Introducing myself in front of you feels surreal. Allow me to start by talking about my academic profile initially." ये कुछ ways हैं जिसे you can start introducing yourself in front of the admissions board. Third step is to talk briefly about your academic background. You can start by saying, "I have always been passionate about your field of interest, which led me to excel in specific subjects or projects. For instance, my undergraduate thesis on this particular topic has deepened my understanding of the related field." Or you can also choose to say this, "Recently, after witnessing developmental strides in the field, my curiosity was invigorated and I started researching it extensively. After reading a dozen of articles and research papers, I was pretty sure that this is the subject that I would go ahead with for my major." Moving forward, अपने प्रोफेशनल और को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज के बारे में भी बात करना इज इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. जैसे यू कैन से, I had the privilege of interning at this particular organization where I gained hands-on experience in these skills. Additionally, I actively participated in these kind of extracurricular activities which hone my specific skills with teamwork or problem solving. Or you can even choose to say something like this. I was super active in extracurricular activities like drama and theatre right from my school years, which continued till college as well. I have participated in over 40 stage dramas and 70 street plays, where I have essayed female centric roles from different cultural backgrounds and ethnicities. Our drama society also received an award for this stage play in 2019. आप जितना अच्छे से explain करोगे, the interviewee will connect you and your experiences even more, increasing your chances of selections. Fifth is to explain, जैसा हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया, आप इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम को परस्यू करने में क्यों इंटरेस्टेड हो, जिसमें you can say something like, I am particularly drawn to this specific aspect of the program, like a unique course or faculty expertise, because it aligns perfectly with my long-term career goal. Or you can also say, history as a core subject has always fascinated me. At the age when most children would watch CNN and Disney Channel, I was passionately watching BBC documentaries covering different topics related to the histories of different countries and civilizations. I loved watching excavation videos, learning about new artifacts and historical expeditions. This is one of the major reasons why I chose history as my undergraduate major. Moving on, after you have talked about your program interest, आपको अपने introduction को briefly and enthusiastically conclude करना चाहिए, saying, thank you for hearing me out. I'm excited about the possibility of contributing and growing within this academic community. I look forward to exploring specific interests related to the university. Or you can also choose to say, thank you for being patient listeners. I would love to explore ways in which I can contribute to a robust and ever-growing student community. So, इस वीडियो में हमने ये डिस्कस किया about different facets of self-introduction and आप कैसे अपने आप को confidently present कर सकते हो during your foreign college interview rounds. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, then please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and if you find it valuable, subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.